EMC's Electrical Engineering Apprenticeship. If you're interested, be sure to sign up for us. And I'll go over a little bit about what we're going to be doing and some of the faces you'll see. Right through here, got Hanzu in the back there, and you got me here in the front with a little bit different look.
Where? Where?
Yeah. Right there.
You like Brad, Jim Carrey a little bit.
Oh, that's not good, because he's not working.
Hey.
That'd be alright. Alright, so, a little bit about EMC. EMC is the #1 supplier of information storage solutions. Anybody know what that means? Anybody know what Facebook is?
Yes.
Anybody know what a credit card is?
Yes.
Anybody know what a bank is?
Yes.
Report cards?
Yes.
Tests?
Yes.
Do your teachers do any of your classwork for you on their computers?
Yes. Yes.
That's data. Facebook, when you save your picture, your profiles, that's all data. We're the #1 storage information system.
So you see everything we got?
Huh? So places like Facebook will buy our storage system to save your data. Worldwide, we have 48,500 employees. This is how much money our company made last year. Not how much I made, but how much our company made. Anybody know what that number is?
This 20 billion.
20 billion.
$20 billion. That's a lot of money. We have a facility in Apex, that's where I work at. It's 400 square feet. We also have software product development in RTP. And in Durham, we just opened up a data center. And our data center has our storage devices in. This is our storage devices right here. And who's that?
Holy.
Yeah. So our storage system is just a little bit taller than what he is. So it's a pretty good size. But that's where your data goes. And when I talk about data, it's like information on Facebook, bank accounts, school grades. This slideshow that I've got here is actually data on this computer. This is on our manufacturing floor. This is one of our systems without the front cover on. This is James, which is right there. He doesn't look at all like that picture. And then there's myself without the beard. So what's in it for you?
What is it?
A new PS3.
Wait, I got one.
What are we going to teach? What?
You said what in there for us? They got sleeping sometimes. Sometimes dancing. Well, sometimes we make alarms.
Yeah.
Very good. And that's all.
So what we're going to cover in here will be basic electricity. We'll talk about components, wires, resistors, capacitors, switches, LEDs. Something we're going to place the emphasis on this time will be solar cells and motors. We'll talk about some of the instrumentation and tools that we use, like a meter. It's a handheld device, oscilloscope. We'll do some soldering. That's what everybody seems to like to do. And then we're going to apply what we learn up here to our projects, and we're going to build a race team. We're trying to design a motorized car that runs on solar power. But obviously we only have 8 weeks, and it won't be a full-size car. It's going to be a little bitty car. We're going to work on brainstorming, how to make our race cars better. Yes?
We did the race car last year.
Huh?
And we did the race car last year.
Not in this.
Semester.
Yeah.
Yeah, we haven't done one in here yet. Not solar power. Not a car. We're going to talk about schematic capture. You'll understand what the word schematic means. But it's an electrical picture of the components. We'll create a schematic project. Then we're going to do basic troubleshooting. We're going to figure out, find, and repair any problems that we have in our design. We'll use some of the tools, oscilloscope, which is what this oscilloscope meter is up here. Demonstrate the use of the equipment. We'll breadboard, we'll test, we'll do redesign where we find problems. We're going to make a printed circuit board layout for our race car. And we'll be building our project, stuffing it, soldering it, testing it, and getting ready for the wow. So pretty much in our 10 lessons, we'll do the introduction, the basic circuit, breadboarding, and understanding, so you'll understand what the parts are. We'll define our race teams. We're going to try to have 4 teams. Our solar cell experiments to see how that works. We'll brainstorm our design to see what we're going to come up with. Lesson 5, we'll enter our schematic for our race car. We'll breadboard our ideas, lay out the PCB, stuff, solder, and test our car, and get ready for the wow. This is a car. Now, we only have 10 weeks. Ours won't look exactly like that. Might look a little bit more like this. Sorry. You like the other one better? Alright, there you go.
Look like a real car.
So it may look more like this here. This is our solar cell. The sun shines on this, generates electricity. Electricity is used to make the motor run. We'll have a drive line to the tires, and hopefully the car will go. So, we haven't designed it yet. We'll have to see what obstacles we have and what we can overcome. So, what do you get out of it? This is where we're doing some of our breadboarding before. Over here, this is the soldering where everybody seems to enjoy doing a lot of.
Come on.
This is our oscilloscope down here, looking at the waveform. Huh?
Come on.
Yeah. There's Kim right there. Kim said he missed everybody. Sorry he couldn't make it today. This is a schematic capture and breadboard layout. Our past project. This is one of the first games that we made in here on the first group. Yeah.
What game?
Anybody recognize this here?
Oh, yeah.
That was made in this class in one semester. Anybody recognize this?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes!
Yes! That was made in this class. And in one semester. On our last semester, we did this infrared, IR stands for infrared thing. Yeah.
That's my friend Hector right there.
It is. Good. So, with this remote control, you would turn on this device here and it would put up somebody's initials.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
So, life lessons, we'll be doing brain